In this kitchen, we're not just baking, we're creating comfort. Every great donut begins with something simple: flour, milk, sugar, and a little patience. In this kitchen, we're not just baking, we're creating comfort. Warm milk wakes the yeast, and slowly, quietly, life begins to form. This is where the magic starts. Now everything comes together: eggs, butter, sweetness, mixed by hand just the way homemade should feel. Knead with confidence, press, fold, turn. This is where softness is built, where texture becomes perfection. And now we wait, because the best things in life take time. Watch it rise, slowly becoming lighter, fuller, alive. Rolled smooth, cut with care, each circle shaped with intention, the beginning of something golden. Before the heat, one last breath. They rest again, softer, puffier, ready. Now the transformation begins. Into the heat. Listen to that sound. That's flavor being born. Golden, light, perfectly fried, crisp on the outside, soft and milky inside. And now the final touch. A smooth, milky glaze, dripping gently over warm perfection. From simple ingredients to unforgettable comfort, homemade Milky donuts, soft, sweet, and made with heart. Once you taste this, store-bought will never feel the same. If you've been enjoying our videos, you can support us by following, like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more educational videos like this.